Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lacquer Lover and this is a tutorial for my BTS Mikrokosmos nail art. Start by applying base coat to all of your fingernails. I use Peel Off Base Coat, which I always link in the description box. Paint your index, middle, and ring fingernails black and your pinky and thumbnails a dark blue. Use dark blue to draw a rectangle on your index fingernail and use a sparkly purple blue polish for your middle and ring fingernails. Add gray polish on top of the blue rectangle on your index fingernail for the fog, and also draw a crescent moon in the top left corner. Add more clouds beneath the moon, and start drawing in the skyline using black polish. Add highlights to the side of the building using gray polish. Add a few specks of white polish on top of the buildings for the windows. Draw a thick gray line at the bottom of the rectangle for the sill. Repeat drawing the skyline on the middle and ring fingernails. Use brown polish to draw a small circle right beneath the middle of the rectangle. And repeat for the ring fingernail. So for the middle and ring fingernails, I'm going to have two people, one male and one female, looking out the window. And so I'm drawing in their bodies using a purple polish, and this purple represents the purple of our fandom. And so the male is obviously BTS and the female is ARMY. So these two panels, or these two nails, represent in our own rooms, in our own stars, inside those pitch black nights, the lights we saw in each other. The deeper the night, the brighter the starlight. So the progression across these three nails show that we can light the sky up no matter how dark it is initially, and that people are lights. I also added a hollow top coat in select areas of the rectangles for the stars. In the bottom right corner of the purple clothing, I'm just going to be drawing two lines which I did fix up to resemble the ARMY and BTS logos. I also went over the hair with dark brown. Next, top coat these three nails and we'll be moving on to the pinky and thumbnails. For the pinky fingernail, start by applying liquid latex on the skin around your nail. Then rip off small pieces of foam and use that to apply various shades of polish, including white, blue, and purple, to create a galaxy. Apply these colors in various bursts across the nail so that they pop off of the dark blue background. Remove the liquid latex and apply a layer of hollow top coat for the stars. On top, I'm using white polish to draw the BTS logo first, and I drew it relatively big and make sure that it is centered and symmetrical. And I did ask on my Instagram story if you guys would like the BTS logo on the outside or the ARMY logo on the outside, and you guys voted for the BTS logo on the outside and the ARMY logo on the inside, and I see how that could be more meaningful because it's kind of like BTS protecting us, but also it could be the other way around because who said that it can't be? And I just thought that it would be really cool. And if you guys wanted to recreate this look, you can definitely put the ARMY logo on the outside. So as you guys can see, I'm just drawing a very tiny ARMY logo on the inside. I really like how they fit together and create this really cool design. And in my head, I thought this would be like a star, so I did go over the white areas with yellow polish, but I didn't do it very neatly or completely because I did want some of that white to show through to add that bit of a shine on the star. And this nail also just joins the previous two nails together to show that we are lights. Then apply a generous layer of top coat. For the thumbnail, I'm going to start by applying liquid latex on the skin around my nail. Then I'm going to be applying the same technique that I used to create the galaxy on the pinky fingernail, except I'm going to be concentrating all those bright, vibrant colors in a diagonal in the center of my nail. Then clean up the galaxy using dark blue polish. Remove the liquid latex. And apply a layer of hollow top coat for the stars. I also added white specks onto the brighter areas of the galaxy for bigger stars. And in the center of the nail, I'm going to be writing Mikrokosmos with chrome polish. So I started with the middle letter, which is K, and then I'm going to the right and the left of that. And did you guys notice anything different about my nail? I did add something, so if you guys noticed that, then let me know in the comments section. But other than that, Mikrokosmos is written in a font that kind of resembles constellations, so it really looks like a galaxy. Finally, apply a generous layer of top coat and you're done! So that is it for this BTS Mikrokosmos nail art tutorial. This is the first time I'm announcing the series, but it's also the third installation of my Map of the Soul Persona nail art series. So just make sure to stay tuned for the rest of the songs, and I will see you all very soon. Bye everyone!